Ready to take your biking experience to a whole new level? Today, we're exploring the top 20 genius bike gadgets on Amazon, packed with futuristic features, clever upgrades, and innovative tools that make every ride smoother, safer, and way more fun. From must-have tech to hidden gems that transform your bike setup, this list is perfect for any rider. Stick around, you won't want to miss a single gadget. Number 1. Crankbrothers multi-tool. Nothing ruins a perfect ride faster than a loose bolt, and this compact multi-tool keeps that nightmare away. Crankbrothers packs essential hex, Torx, and screwdriver bits into a slim, pocket-friendly body. The tools feel solid, not flimsy, so adjustments stay precise on trails or roads. It saves time, protects components, and keeps rides moving smoothly. Once it's in your kit, you'll wonder how you ever rode without that dependable backup. Number 2. Aomiker Bike Frame Bag. Some storage solutions feel bulky, but this frame bag keeps things clean and balanced. The Aomiker bag hugs your bike's shape, leaving legroom while holding your phone, wallet, tools, and snacks. Zippers move smoothly, and the fabric resists light rain and dust. It's perfect for commuting, weekend rides, or long trips where pockets aren't enough. Instead of stuffing jerseys, you get organized access that feels natural and keeps your ride comfortable. Number 3. YOHOOLYO Alarm Disc. Lock security stops being boring when it fights back. The YOHOOLYO disc lock doesn't just block your wheel, it blasts a loud alarm if anyone tampers with your bike. That noise alone scares off most thieves before they even try. The metal body feels tough, yet it's small enough to carry easily. For city parking or quick stops, this adds confidence, saves stress, and lets you walk away, knowing your bike isn't an easy target. Number 4. BeTime Motorcycle Lock. Peace of mind matters more than fancy features, and this lock delivers exactly that. The BeTime lock uses thick, hardened steel to resist cutting and prying. It's simple to use, quick to secure, and strong enough for daily parking in busy areas. Whether you ride to work or leave your bike outside a cafe, this lock adds a solid layer of protection. It's the kind of gear you trust quietly every single day. Number 5. NDakter Combination. Bike lock keys get lost, but combinations stay in your head. The NDakter lock gives you strong, braided steel protection without the hassle of carrying keys. You can set your own code, lock up in seconds, and unlock just as fast. The coating helps prevent scratches on your frame, which is a small but important detail. For commuters, students, or casual riders, this lock balances convenience, security, and everyday practicality in a very smart way. Number 6. Tcyoatoa Cable Bike Lock. Lightweight doesn't have to mean weak, and this cable lock proves it. The Tcyoatoa lock wraps easily around frames, racks, or posts, then coils back into a compact shape for carrying. The steel cable resists cutting better than basic locks, while the outer layer protects your paint. It's perfect for quick stops, errands, or as a secondary lock for extra safety. Simple, flexible, and easy to live with every day. Number 7. Rockbros Front Frame. Bike bag space always feels limited on a bike until you use this smart frame bag. Rockbros designed it to sit snugly inside the frame, keeping the weight centered and ride stable. It holds essentials like tools, phone, or energy bars without bouncing around. The sturdy zippers and tough fabric handle rough roads easily. For long rides or daily commutes, this bag turns wasted space into useful storage and keeps your pockets comfortably empty. Number 8. Rockbros Bike Bottle Cage. Hydration should be easy, not a juggling act. This Rockbros bottle cage grips your bottle firmly even on bumpy roads, yet still lets you grab it quickly mid-ride. The lightweight design doesn't add noticeable weight, and the shape fits most standard bottles. Installation takes minutes, but the benefit lasts every ride. It's a small upgrade that makes staying hydrated safer, smoother, and far more convenient on any cycling trip. Number 9. OFASONO Fingerprint Bike Lock. Keys and codes feel old when your fingerprint becomes the key. The OFASONO lock unlocks instantly with a touch, giving you fast access without fumbling in pockets. It stores multiple fingerprints, so family members can use it too. The metal body resists cutting, while the smart tech adds everyday convenience. For riders who love modern solutions, this lock mixes security with speed, making quick stops and daily parking far more comfortable and stress-free. Number 10. Mengshen Bike Alarm Lock. Sometimes the best defense is making a lot of noise. The Mengshen alarm lock combines solid physical locking with a powerful motion-sensitive alarm. If someone bumps or tries to move your bike, it screams loudly and draws attention fast. That alone can stop trouble before it starts. It's easy to arm, easy to carry, and tough enough for regular use. For urban riders, this adds an extra layer of smart, active protection. Number 11. WUVOP Bike Cup Holder. Long rides feel better when your drink is always within reach. The WUVOP cup holder mounts securely and holds bottles, cups, or even small flasks without wobbling. The grip keeps drinks steady over bumps, while the open design makes grabbing quick and safe. Installation is simple, and it fits most handlebars. For commuters or casual riders, this tiny upgrade adds real comfort, keeps you hydrated, and it makes every ride feel a bit more relaxed and convenient. Number 12. Hafny Bar End Bike Mirror. Seeing what's behind you shouldn't require turning your head. The Hafny Bar End mirror gives a clear, wide view of traffic or riders coming up fast. The glass stays stable, even on rough roads, and the mounting feels solid once installed. It adds safety without cluttering your cockpit. For city riding or busy paths, this mirror builds confidence, reduces surprises, and helps you ride smarter without constantly checking over your shoulder. Number 13. Febabilo Bike Lock. A good lock should feel simple, strong, and dependable, and this one checks all three boxes. The Febabilo lock uses tough materials that resist cutting while staying easy to handle. It locks quickly, fits around most frames and racks, and doesn't weigh you down. The coating helps protect your paint, which is a nice bonus. For daily riders, this is the kind of straightforward security that quietly does its job every single day. Number 14. LESOVI Electric Bike Horn. Sometimes your voice isn't loud enough, but this horn definitely is. The LESOVI electric horn delivers a powerful sound that gets drivers and pedestrians to notice you instantly. It's easy to mount, simple to use, and much clearer than a tiny bell in noisy traffic. Safety improves the moment you can warn others quickly. For urban riding or crowded paths, this horn gives you confidence, presence, and a much stronger way to be heard. Number 15. NP Night Provision Bike Light Set. Visibility changes everything, and especially when riding at night. This light set gives you a bright front beam and a strong rear warning light, making sure others can see you clearly. The batteries last long, and the mounting is quick and tool-free. Different modes help you adapt to city streets or dark roads. For daily commuters or evening riders, this set turns risky rides into safer, more comfortable journeys with reliable lighting every time. Number 16. C Folding Bike Repair Stand. Working on your bike shouldn't mean crouching on the floor. This folding repair stand lifts your bike to a comfortable height, making cleaning, tuning, and fixing far easier. The clamps hold frames securely, and the wide base keeps everything stable. When you're done, it folds away neatly for storage. For home mechanics, this stand saves time, protects your back, and turns maintenance into a smoother, more enjoyable routine. Number 17. Aomiker Bike Phone Bag. Your phone deserves better than a shaky pocket during rides. The Aomiker phone bag mounts to your frame and keeps your screen visible, protected, and easy to reach. You can check maps, music, or messages without stopping. The case resists light rain and road dust, while the zipper keeps things secure. For navigation or fitness tracking, this bag makes your phone part of your ride, not a distraction or a risk. Number 18. Airbank Mini Pump. Flat tires don't wait for convenient moments, and this mini pump makes sure you're ready. The Airbank pump is small enough to carry easily, yet strong enough to inflate tires quickly on the road. It feels sturdy, not flimsy, and works with common valve types. Instead of walking home or waiting for help, you get back riding in minutes. For any cyclist, this is a simple tool that saves time and frustration. Number 19. LOTONOP Rechargeable Bike Light. Good lighting isn't just about brightness, it's about reliability. The LOTONOP light charges easily, runs for long hours, and stays visible from far away. Multiple modes let you switch between steady beams and attention-grabbing flashes. The mount holds tight, even on rough roads. For night rides, early mornings, or foggy days, this light helps you stay seen, stay safe, and ride with much more confidence. Number 20. Asher LED Bike Tail. Lights being seen from behind is just as important as seeing ahead. These Asher tail lights shine bright and offer multiple modes to match traffic or trail conditions. They mount quickly and stay secure even on bumpy rides. The long battery life means fewer worries and fewer recharges. For commuting or evening rides, these lights add a strong safety boost, helping drivers notice you sooner and giving you extra peace of mind on every trip. Thanks for riding along through the top 20 genius bike gadgets on Amazon. Upgrade your cycling game, stay safe, and enjoy every adventure with these must-have tools and accessories. Don't wait. Click the links in the description now to grab your favorites.